Hey guys, Jessica here. Today we're at a really ugly, boring park. Not much going on, everything's dying. It's winter time. So I thought it would be a great challenge to bring a model here and show you how you can go to really any location and make your photos look amazing. So through the use of props, outfits, posing, lighting, I'm gonna show you how I take this boring and ugly location and really make it look good. Forgot to mention, today I'll be using my 24-70 lens with my 5D Mark IV. First location, I found these, well, I didn't really find them, they were just there. These are, it looks like discarded soccer goals, so I think that could be a really cool location. Let's check that out, shall we? So here we are. I think this is actually really cool, isn't it?
Yes.
Little delayed, but that's okay. I actually brought these as a prop. We're gonna be using these for a close-up portrait. That's the plan. So let's do one. Actually, I like that pose. That's really great. Very like almost slouchy too. Like bring your, yeah, that's perfect. Stay right there. So I love this setup right here. Oh God, this is gonna be harder than I thought to adjust. Okay. Yeah, let's keep those arms moving as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna kind of take it through this net. Oh, these are so pretty. These are great. And can I have one hand? Yes. Perfect. Great. Good job. Stay right there. I want you looking kind of past me right here. Yes. So the net kind of gives it a cool perspective, having something in the foreground. And I am using the 24-70 lens, so I'm able to zoom in, zoom out, and kind of adjust how blurry these are, I guess, and how much they really show up in the photo. So your hand, let's have your other hand, instead of doing something that's straight on, maybe bring it out just a little. Perfect, yeah. Great job. Great, you're killing it. These are awesome. Good job. I love this location so far. I kind of want you here almost, like where I am, and then kind of interacting with this right here. Let's have you in the corner right here. How about if you're kind of in the, yes, and then you kind of have your hands, yeah, you're kind of in the center. Yeah, perfect. Actually, that'd be perfect. So let's do some like cool shapes where you kind of like have your leg more like this bent a little bit. Yeah, perfect. And you are tilting your head out. Yeah, perfect. Soften up your shoulders just a little bit. And actually, let's have your hands, yeah, lowered a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, those are great. But relax your fingers. Yeah, yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. You softened up your hands. Good job. So actually I found a point where this post kind of covers the sun, so it's better. Yep, this is way better. Just by moving where I was taking the photo, this is now blocking the light. Yeah, lean in just a little bit. Those are great. Yeah. Let's do one where you're kind of standing, how about you stand in the middle right there? And then you're just kind of stand, or how about yeah. Your back is kind of, and you're doing something like that, exactly. We'll just do a very simple, yeah, that's beautiful. Stay right there. So we're doing a closer up portrait. And again, I'm shooting through the net here, getting a little bit of it in the photo. We're at 70 millimeter right now, so we're pretty close. I want to try to, what if you came kind of right here? Okay. Can you enter through that other spot? Maybe. Let's have like maybe like a leg out even.
This one?
Yeah, or like very simple. Let's see. Yes, yes, perfect. I love this. Yeah. Doing a little bit of teamwork here. And kind of like go through the movements with the belt too. And like do that whole movement again where you're like putting your leg out and then do it again. Yes, do the actual action. Do the actual action. Yeah. And it sounds like some spicy stuff right there. She's talking about relationships. I agree, yeah, he better treat you right. There's two ladies taking a stroll right now. I'm like eavesdropping from here, like, yeah, you go, girl. Yes. They literally look amazing. Look at these.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Look at, see the pattern on your face, how pretty that is?
These are really pretty. Like, who would have thought?
Lastly, I want to get a really nice portrait. So we have these lavender feathers that we got at Michael's, just a regular craft store. I thought that'd be really cool. You don't always need to have a nice background. You can actually, when you implement a prop, that kind of becomes the focus along with the model. So I feel like a plain background would actually work well with something like this, because again, we want the focus to be on the subject, and now she's holding something that's very interesting. So you don't want a background that's gonna overwhelm that or overpower that. So this really ugly backdrop kind of works well. You know, the dying tree in the back, it's beautiful. It works. And the fence, it's gorgeous. Yeah, it's everything I want and more for this background. I'm not gonna cry later about this. And I kind of positioned China where it would be more direct light. So we have that direct light. It's gonna pop more. We're gonna see more of that lavender color come out. She's wearing all white. It's a good balance. Jacket's coming off, you guys. It's getting serious right now. Right now, I'm actually bending down even lower. So all you're gonna see is blue in the background. Everything else isn't really gonna show. Lift your chin up just a little bit and then tilt your head more this way. Yes. Great job. Okay, let's do those close portraits. Have your lips open just a little, yeah. And then chin down. Turn your head more, yeah, perfect. Yeah, just keep moving your head as you are. Those are great. We're gonna have all of China's information in the description. Make sure to go check her out on Instagram. Let us know what you guys think of the final photos, and we would love to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.